Median sold price remains consistent week over week at a median $430,000 price, while inventory continues to trend upwards from last year this time. It's Friday, October 17th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Showings continue to be higher again this week for the third week in a row, with the most activity in the southern Maryland and Eastern Shore regions. New resale inventory to hit the market dropped 14% to 1,971 units at a median $424,900. 1,226 homes are poised to come soon, a decrease from last report of 7.6%. Homes going under contract fell this report 5.4% to 1,498 units at a median $425,000. These went under contract in 24 days, 1 day longer than last report. 1,067 units sold in 19 days at a $430,000 median sold price. Rental properties rose 2.9% to 3,716 units and remaining at a median $2,600 per month for the past 4 reports. Got questions about your specific circumstance? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, October 17th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.